Akshay and his father are in a park. They see flock of birds sitting on a tree. Akshay count the number of birds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 birds on the tree.
After some time, some of the birds flew away. Akshay again counts the number of birds as
1, 2. Now there are 2 birds on the tree.
Suddenly, all the birds flew away from the tree. Count the number of birds again.
No birds on the tree.
Okay, Akshay. When there were birds on the tree, you used counting numbers or natural numbers to count the number of birds. When we have to tell there is nothing, we bring in 0. 0 represents nothing. So, you can tell there are 0 birds on the tree. Let's take a small example to understand better. There were 4 chocolates. I ate all of them. How many chocolates are left? There are 0 chocolates left. There were 3 chocolates. I did not eat any chocolate. How many chocolates did I eat? I ate 0 chocolates. Akshay, now you understood when we want to represent nothing, we use 0.
Yes, Dad.
0 and natural numbers together are called as whole numbers. Let us conclude. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. The set of all natural numbers and 0 is called as whole numbers.